What's up, guys? I'm gonna guide you through how to use an Xbox controller with Minecraft Java, and I'm pretty sure it works with any other controller. So, let's dive in. Alright, so first go to your browser, Controlify, if that's how you spell it. Click on the Modernth, whatever one you feel safe with. So, once you're here, by the way, I have the link in descriptions for this mod, so you can copy and paste it. So, see Controlify, controller support, and so click download, select a game version, and then select whatever your game version is. It does not matter. So click 1.21.11, and then Fabric. And we will click the R1 because this one's like the latest one. Click download. So I get these all the time. They're not actually gonna harm your device. Like, we have one more mod that we need for this, and it's called Fabric API. Just search Fabric API. And like I said, I trust Modernth more, so we're gonna click on the Modernth link. And it should look something like this. Just a cloth right there, and then Fabric API. Just a Fabric API right there. So click download, and then again, select the right game version that you selected Controlify on. For me, I'm just gonna do 1.21.11, and then it'll automatically select the platform Fabric because like it's Fabric, like you can't switch it. So click download. We're gonna go into here, File Explorer. And this is like the simplest part. Open it up and click on wherever you downloaded those mods to. So see, we have, it's in my downloads, but because I changed it. So yours is gonna be like in that downloads or anywhere else where you changed it to. So left click on your mouse and hold down, and then drag, and then let go, and then right click it, anyone, and then click copy. Now it copied 2 of those. So now we can press up here and type in %, app data %, and click enter. Now you'll see a bunch of these, but don't worry, this is super simple. Your Minecraft is most likely gonna be on the top. So click on .minecraft. You don't want .minecraft bedrock. So .minecraft, and I'm pretty sure this only works for .minecraft, not bedrock. So go down until you see mods. If you don't have mods, you can right click and click new and click folder, and then name it mods. But for me, I already have mods, so double click on it. Now we'll see, I already have Controlify, but I'm gonna delete it so I make this even simpler for you guys. Okay, so once we're in the mods folder, again, you can actually get all the mods that I have, but this is just a tutorial on how to get and use controller on Minecraft Java. So if you guys already have Fabric API, you don't actually need to download it. So just right click on an empty space and then click paste. We'll see Controlify and Fabric API. So now it works. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to set it up. So we can X out this, X out that, and here we are. Okay, I'm back with my Xbox controller, and this is I'm gonna show you guys how to actually pair it with your computer. If you're on Windows, this is gonna be super simple. But if you're on Mac, like Mac is different than Windows, so yeah. So go into Bluetooth settings and click on, if you're on Windows, just click any like add device button. Now click Bluetooth, click your sync button, which is that little dot where the USB Type-C port is, and hold it down. Click on Bluetooth, and And there we go. It's right there. So click done and we can exit settings. Now to set it up, we are going to open Minecraft and be sure to subscribe just because. Alright, let's open Minecraft launcher. Make sure it's on Java, not Bedrock. But yeah, click Java and then make sure version is right. Again, if you already have Fabric API, it's going to work. Work already. But now, while you're in the Minecraft launcher, don't click play yet. Click installations and click new installation. If you don't already have the Fabric Loader 1.21.11 or whatever version you wanted Controlify on, click new installation and you can name it anything like Controller and select your version. Actually, wait. So click this arrow and then you'll see you can type in here. So type in Fabric and then click the latest version, which is 1.21.11. And then we click install and launch after install. So again, I already have that, so I'm just going to delete this. You don't delete that though if you don't already have it.